Hey y'all, I'm pretty excited about this stick vac. I'm so thankful that the brand sent it to me. I have a fur making machine right there. His name is Bailey and I love him dearly, but goodness gracious, the dog hair is ridiculous in this house. So I had another stick vac. It's the old one sitting over there. Anyway, I was very thankful to receive this one. I've been using it for a couple of days now. And what I really like, a couple of things I really like, is that there is a fill line on the container, and when it reaches the fill line, it will automatically shut down. So you don't have to worry about that. It comes with an extra filter. It comes with this filter. It comes with this self-charging rack. See the charger button in there? So I'm going to be mounting that in my closet. It comes with this tool to clean out the filters and the crevices of it. It comes with this extra tool, this one, and somewhere there's a long crevice tool. What did I do with it? Hold on. Here it is. It comes with this. I used this on my stairs yesterday. I swear this dog sheds enough to make a whole other dog every week. So I wanted to truly test this out before I did my review. I really appreciate the brand sending it to me to try out. I am sold. I love this thing. The shank will get smaller. It has easy push buttons to do that. Easy push buttons to switch out your attachments. Easy buttons. You push, there's a button on either side here that to release this. And then you push this button and the bottom falls. So it's touchless to empty the... What is that thing called? Whatever this is. Anyway, I really like it. It works really, really well. Let's take a look at it for a second. Okay. Ready, Bailey? What I like about it is it shows you what it's doing, and it will increase the intensity and step it up when it needs to. Now, I've already vacuumed this floor, so it's not having a hard time right now, but yesterday, when I was vacuuming more, it was really going kind of crazy. And here's what's cool. Like this is their couch, my dog's couch, and so there's a lot. You hear it go up? So I hope I'm not making anybody dizzy. Anyway, I really like this vacuum. It works really great. If you have dogs, I think this will work great for you too. Thanks for watching.